third lane just being introduced. The second of the teams is India. That the Indian team is Tamanna, Jilna, MV, Sudeshna, Shivankar and Sakshi Chavan. They should be the favorite along with the Sri Lankans. And that's the Sri Lankan team. They are in 5. Fernando, Amasha De Silva, Ratnaike and Yamik. You remember Yamik won a gold in the 100 meters. Maldives is in 6. Nepal, of course, going back. Jairani, Seema, Ramita and Saraswati Chaudhary. The Maldives is Faiz, Salim, Shafeen and Nizar. And the last of the teams is Bangladesh, Runa, Khatun, Akhtar and Diwan. This is the final event of the second day, as we are joined here by Sandeep Singh, who is Sanjana's coach. We have some time because the warm-up for the 4x100 meters women is underway. Sandeep ji, 1500 और 5000 आपकी बेटी में कहूँगा, लड़की ने आपकी जीती हुई है. पीछे जाओ, आपकी इसकी शुरुआत कैसी हुई थी?
सभी को मेरी तरफ से राम राम. और इसके बारे में अगर मैं बताना चाहूँ तो सर ये चूज करो, तो ये बोले कि सर जो भी करवाना है आप देखो, मैं आपके पास करना चाहती हूँ, आप जो भी इवेंट करवाओ मुझे आप ही के पास करना है. तो फिर शुरुआत में इसमें नेचुरल इंडोरेंस बहुत अच्छा था. इसको
we'll talk about that because we are getting the introduction. This is the Indian team. 134 just now was Jilna MV. She will be the number 2. Tamanna will start off for the Indian team in the 4x100 meters relay. Final event on the second day. The Sri Lankans, one of the stronger teams, along with the Indians. The Indians will certainly have to pick up something big out here. हाँ, तो आप बात कह रहे थे?
हाँ जी सर, तो पहले साल इसको मैंने 400 मीटर से शुरुआत करी कि इसमें इंडोरेंस अच्छा है, स्पीड बिल्कुल 0 थी. तो एक साल इसको 400 मीटर किया. नेक्स्ट ईयर इसको 800 मीटर का वर्कआउट किसी और से बनवाया था, फ्रेंड्स थे, 400 मीटर का भी 800 का भी. तो फिर 2-3 साल ऐसे ही मुझे दोस्तों से हेल्प लेनी पड़ी, जिन्होंने मेरे काफ़ी मदद मिली है मुझे उनसे. बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे भी थे, अरे ये कहाँ का कोच है, ये इसके पास कौन सी डिग्री है. तो उसमें भी थोड़ा सा बुरा लगता था. फिर मैंने शॉर्ट एन एस की सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स. उसके बाद सर फिर मुझे बच्चों के लिए कि बच्चों को इंजरियाँ बहुत आती हैं. उसके बाद 2021 में मैं मसाज का कोर्स भी करके आया कि बच्चों को इंजरी से बचाया जा सके.
Yes, this is the final moments of the 4x100 meters. A reminder once again, the women after the men, Sri Lanka took the gold in the men, India got a silver and Bangladesh got a bronze. Will that be a repeat out here or will the Indians bounce back? Both teams are very strong. They're drawn next to each other. India in 4, Sri Lanka in 5. Sri Lanka will finish with the 100 meters champion of the women, S. Yamik. India will finish off with Sakshi Chavan. All the experience of Sakshi Chavan. She's been around for quite some time. Who will give them a great start? Fernando for Sri Lanka, Tamanna for India. We've got 5 of the teams. So to the right of a picture frame is Nepal. In the blue, the traditional blue colors is India. Sri Lanka in their traditional colors in 5. Maldives in 6 and Bangladesh is in 7. Lane number 1 and 2 are vacant. Women's 100 meters final. The final event of day 2 of the 4th South Asian Senior Athletic Championships here at the Birsa Munda Stadium, Ranchi, Jharkhand. A state where waterfalls, wild forest, wonderful tribes, the culture of this state, and of course the cuisine and the wildlife. They're all waiting for the baton exchange. That's going to be the most important. A split-second delay can cost you. There they go now, the Sri Lankans and the Indians. Watch out for the others as well. Nepal in 3, Maldives in 6, Bangladesh in 7. India, the first of the beaten exchanges. Silva for Sri Lanka, Jilna for India. And they go on to the home straight there. 2 more to go from here on. India taking that slight advantage. The Sri Lankans doing well. For Sri Lanka, Ratnayake, Sudeshna, Shivankar for India. Now coming on to the final bend. Yes, that's going to happen now. Yamik and Chavan. That's close. Look at that. Brilliant run from both of them. The Sri Lankan slightly better or even better takes the gold, following the footsteps of the men. India take the silver. The combination there, that's the finisher anchor for Sri Lanka. The girl who won the 100 meters gold yesterday, their combination of EDS Fernando, Amasha De Silva, or Ratnayake and S. Yamik take the gold. India with Tamanna, Jilna MV, Sudeshna Shivankar and Sakshi Chavan take 44.70 for the Sri Lankans, 44.93 for India, and the Maldives 47.79 take the bronze. As we continue our chat out here with Sandeep, तो 1500 मीटर 5000 कहाँ से सोचा आपने?
सर एक्चुअली इसकी बॉडी लेंथ ही ऐसी है कि ये ना तो स्प्रिंटर बन सकती थी और डायरेक्टली इसको लॉन्ग इवेंट में डाल मूर्खता कहलाएगी कि भाई हार्ड वर्कआउट करवा के इंजर्ड कर देना. तो इसको स्टेप बाय स्टेप मैंने सोचा.
Winners of the 4x100 meters for the women. The fourth girl, perhaps, yeah, there she comes. The fourth girl, who was the second of the girls at the home straight, now joins. That's a picture with the Sri Lankans will be extremely happy on. What a way to end the day for the Sri Lankans. 44.